Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about solid modeling. There are about three types of CAD modeling. First one is the wireframe modeling, surface modeling, and then the solid modeling. In the previous lecture series, we had already discussed about what is an wireframe modeling and solid modeling. Now we are going to discuss about already discussed about wireframe and surface modeling. Now we are going to discuss about what is an solid modeling in CAD design. My name is Divya Kumar, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. In previous topics, we saw wireframe modeling and surface modeling, but both of them have an limitations. They do not fully define the object. To manufacture a real object using 3D printing, we need a complete model that includes shape, size, volume, material details, etc. This is where solid modeling comes into the picture. Solid modeling is the method of representing a 3D object as a complete solid with volume, mass and physical properties. It is the most advanced form of 3D modeling. It defines the outer shape, internal structure, physical properties like mass, density and volume. For example, a cube in solid modeling is not just lines or surfaces. It is a fully filled object like a real block. So, unlike wireframe and surface models, solid models are realistic and complete. Next, what is the importance of solid modeling in 3D printing? Solid modeling is extremely important in 3D printing because 3D printing works by adding the material layer by layer based on the digital model. For this process, the model must be closed. That means there should be no gaps, and also it should have a proper volume, be an error free. It can be able to convert to an STL file format. It represents the surfaces using the triangles. And there are about different methods of solid modeling: constructive solid geometry CSG and also an boundary representation BREP. Objects are created by combining the simple shapes like cube, cylinder, sphere, etc. Different types of operations can be used like union, combining of a particular model, and subtraction, cut and intersection. Example, a hole in a block. Subtract a cylinder from the cube. These are all some of the examples. Next one is the boundary representation, BREP in short form. It defines the objects using surfaces, edges and vertices, etc. Both methods are widely used in the CAD model. Next, we are going to discuss about an advantages of solid modeling. Solid modeling has many advantages. Example, complete representation. It includes volume and physical properties, and also accurate analysis. It can calculate mass, center of gravity, stress analysis, etc. And it also involves in the realistic visualization. That means it looks like an real object. When we design the particular model or object with the help of a solid modeling, it looks like a real object. Next, it is majorly suitable for manufacturing industries. It can directly use it in 3D printing, CNC machines, etc. And also error detection. It helps to identify the design issues before the production itself. This is one of the major advantages while using the solid modeling when compared to that of the wireframe and surface modeling. That's why solid modeling is essential in modern engineering. Some of the limitations of solid modeling are: it involves an high memory requirement, and also it is complex to create. It requires powerful software and also more time consuming. Next, the major applications beyond the solid modeling is: it is majorly involved for product prototyping, medical field which is used to create the implants and prosthetics, automobile industries, aerospace components, customized products, etc. Next, we will have a short comparison with other types of modeling such as wireframe and surface modeling. In case of wireframe modeling, it involves only edges, no volume. Whereas in the case of surface modeling, we can able to define only the outer surface of the particular object. Whereas in the case of solid modeling, full object with the volume can be designed with the help of a solid model. It is more accurate when compared to that of surface and wireframe modeling. So solid model is the final and the most complete stage. It is the backbone of modern 3D printing. It provides complete geometry, accurate physical properties, ready to manufacturing models, etc. Thank you.